Hi everyone, good day. Welcome to Jump Mass Channels. My name is JANIS. Alright, from this question, we have a simple question here. They gave us what? They said the root 8y plus 18 equal to 4. Find y. So how do we find y here? It's very simple and very easy. Now watch. Solution. Right, so let's bring back the question. The question was what? Root 8y plus 18 equal to what? 4. Remember, this square root is extended to what? The 18. So what do I do here? First thing I have to do here was square both sides to remove the what? This square root here. So I'm squaring this part. The first side, I'm squaring it. The first side is 8y plus 18. I'm squaring it. And I'm also squaring this part. Good. Now this square will remove the square root. So from this part, I'm left with 8y plus 18 equal to what? 4 square means what? 4 times 4, which is what? 16. So what do I do from here now? Now I'm able to what? Eliminate the what? The y. So I can easily what? Collect like terms. So I'm collecting like terms from here. So 18 is moving. 18 is positive. So when it moves, becomes a negative sign. So I'm left with what? 8y equal to what? 16 minus 18. 8y equal to what? 16 minus 18. Good. Now, how do I get my y? So I'm left with what? 8y equal to what? 16 negative 18. That's 16 minus 18 gives me what? A negative 2. So how do I get my y from here? Let me continue from this part. So I'm left with what? 8y equal to what? Minus 2. So to get my value of y from here, I'm dividing both sides by what? 8. So this part divided by 8 and also this part divided by 8. So from here, my final answer is what? 8 cancel 8. So my y is equal to what? Minus 2 over 8. Which y broken down, my y equal to what? Minus what? 2 here 1, 2 here what? 4. Minus 1 over 4. So my value of y is 1 over minus 1 over 4. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy your video. Like and subscribe for more. See you in the next. Bye.